Hello. If you want to learn how to make this delicious sandwich, come with me to the kitchen and let's make this delicious sandwich with the leftover from the pernil from last night. Can you believe that? With something old, you definitely could make something new. Let's make this delicious sandwich with tostones step by step. You know, us Dominican, we eat plantain with anything, any kind of way. It's delicious. You know, I speak with broken English, but the food tastes delicious. With something old, you could make something new, definitely.
If you have any leftover pernil from Thanksgiving, here's a recipe you can follow. We have diced up tomatoes, some chopped up red onions and yellow onions, some diced up garlic, some cumin peppers, and a teaspoon of tomato paste, along with our shredded pernil. We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. I meant to say 2. Now that our oil is hot, we're going to add our vegetables to the saute. Make sure you add everything but the tomatoes. Now halfway through sauteing, we're going to add our shredded pernil. Now that it's been sauteing for a minute, we're going to add our tomatoes and our tomato paste. Now that we're incorporated, we're going to add half a cup of water. And we're incorporating real good. And if you feel at any point that it gets too dry, you can add more water. And we let this cook for 5 to 8 minutes.
Thank you for staying into the end. I hope you learned something new and I hope you enjoyed today's recipe as much as me and my family and my daughter enjoyed making it. If you want to bond with your children, what a better way to bond making a delicious tostones sandwich, you know, with your leftovers, you know. It's always good to spend some time with your children. And now I am going to eat this delicious sandwich with my family. God bless you and I see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Activate that notification bell so YouTube can notify you whenever we have a new recipe. God bless you.